All right, so let's prove this identity. So for this identity, we'll be working with the left-hand side. For the left-hand side, we're going to find the LCM of the two fractions, in which the LCM is simply the product of the denominators. So cos can go into this common denominator, and we get 1 plus sine. So we'll actually have 1 plus sine multiplying with 1 plus sine. Then if 1 plus sine goes into this denominator, we get cos. And if cos multiplies cos, we'll get cos square. Like that. Right, so this implies that. Let's expand the two brackets. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times sine is sine. Sine times 1 is another sine. And sine times sine is sine square. Plus cos square. All this is over cos, then 1 plus sine. Now, if you know your trigonometry very well, then you can clearly see that this part here gives us a 1. Sine square plus cos square is 1. So, the 1 that we have here plus that 1, we're going to get a 2. So now we can say 1 plus 1, that's the 2, plus sine gives us 2 sine theta. In the denominator, we have cos multiplied by 1 plus sine. This is equals to, factor out the 2 in the numerator, and we'll get 2. We'll remain with 1 plus sine divided by cos, then 1 plus sine. So clearly, this can cancel out with this. So this means that what we have is 2 in the numerator divided by cos in the denominator. And 1 over cos is a second. So there we have it.